What's up, guys? It's me, obviously, and I'm making the viral tomato feta pasta. And I'm not going to try it on camera here, but if you want to see that video, you can go watch it on my mom's channel. It should be up by now. But yeah, so I'm going to make it for this video, and I just have a very simple thing to follow. So we're literally just gonna start. I'm just gonna start. I'm gonna preheat that and put water in a pot. Okay, so the oven's preheating and I have the water boiling. So I'm just gonna wait for it to do that. I don't even have salt. I'm just gonna use this. Most people use like a big pan, but we're just gonna go with it. So I'm gonna put tomatoes. I don't know how much you're supposed to put. It doesn't say.
Making pasta?
Ooh. You have to wash it.
Nasty. You just took it up and spit on it. Oh, look, you dropped
one. Just gonna go with it. Okay, so I need the olive oil. Here's my olive oil. Okay, does that look like enough? I think it looks like enough. Okay, salt. I have one of these cool things. Just have the feta chunk. This really doesn't take that long. Oh well. This will be a quick video. I just wanted to show me making it just because. But yeah. Phew. Feta stank. Okay. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna add more oil and the feta. The oil's after. Ew. It stank. She working out.
outside?
Yeah. Okay. There's tomato in my way. Excuse me. If it could just sit flat, that would be lovely. Why isn't it getting dirty? Okay, I'm gonna lose it. Okay, there you go. Okay, so we got the feta down. Rinse my hands again. Okay, more oil. Crushed red pepper, since it's just for me and my mom. And garlic, which is right here. It's not cut up. We're just gonna do like 3. Sounds right. Me and my mom have been watching Twilight. We're on Eclipse right now. We're loving it. I love Twilight. Like, it's really, really cringy, but it's like good at the same time. You know what I mean? If this doesn't come out good, I'm scared. I'm actually gonna do one more, because my mom likes garlic, so do I. Got this little thing. So I had originally wanted, like, me personally wanted to blend it up so that I wasn't eating tomatoes. But the more videos I watched, when you just mix it, the tomatoes break up. So I'm not that worried about it. And like people who don't like tomatoes said they like it. So Let's hope this isn't an excessive amount of garlic. We're gonna spread it out. Oh, okay, so I'm just gonna put it in. It's gonna go for 30 minutes. It's a long time. Okay, and this is the pasta we wanted to do, penne pasta. So I'm gonna do that. And we're just gonna let that cook. I'm gonna clean up, and then I'll be back when that's done. So the pasta's done, but there's a twist. We have to go to the store for lettuce stuff because we want to have like a side of lettuce for the video. So that's almost done. There's 8 minutes left on that, and then I'm gonna mix it on camera and all that, and then we're gonna go to the store, and then I'll mix the pasta sauce with the pasta. Okay, so I'm back from the store. So I have this avocado ranch and just regular garden salad blend. And then they're having lasagna for dinner tonight, so I got another one of these. So I'm gonna smush this up now. Okay, so I'm gonna do it like they did on the video. Smell like tin cans. These aren't like done enough. I think I'm gonna throw it back in just because we need it to leave. Like the bottom ones are exploding and they're not supposed to do that. So I'm gonna preheat the oven again. I'm gonna put this one, the whole thing. Oh, it comes with corn, carrots. How fun. I'm gonna put half so we could have like some salad. I'm gonna put the cheese and the corn in here. It's like dehydrated corn. Okay, I'm gonna put the cheese. And then we'll put the avocado ranch after, but here it is. Avocado ranch slaps. I don't care what anybody says. I'm getting like so impatient. So to keep myself busy, I'm gonna cut some basil. I'm gonna rinse it. That is strong. Basil reminds me of Remy from freaking Ratatouille. They stole it. Pretty sure it was Remy. I'm pretty sure it was basil. I'm not sure if it was. That blue. Okay, so we're gonna mix this up. Yeah, they're a lot softer now. They're still exploding a little. I'm gonna throw this in. Okay. Oh my god. It's like a lot of them aren't done. I don't even understand. I should have cut them in half. Maybe it's because of like the size of the pan. Oh, that hurt. Oh my god, don't burn my face. And we're gonna mix it with the pasta that's right here. Okay, it's still hot. I done burnt my hand. Y'all saw that? Just scrape it.
Oh.
Yeah, it's hot.
Oh, no, I should have known. You're right.
Okay, that's good. Tomato pasta.
Feta tomato pasta.
Yes, ma'am. These are the cherry tomatoes.
Cute.
You got them.
Okay. No, I decided I don't want.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit more. This was way too many noodles for the amount, but like the pan didn't fit as much. Okay, so I can't try it yet, but it looks amazing. I'm really excited. I hope I like it because I'm not a fan of tomatoes, if you know me. But it looks really good. So now my mom's ready, I'm assuming. So yeah, I'm not gonna try it so I could try it on camera firsthand with my mom. But this was super easy and it wasn't that bad. And we have this salad with avocado ranch. I put some croutons on top and it looks yummy as heck. Looks yummy. Doesn't it look amazing? Looks yummy. So that's the end of this video. If you want to see me and my mom eat it and us try it, it'll be on her channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.